Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup healthy. To begin, select a high-quality, low-sodium vegetable broth as your foundation. This immediately reduces your soup's overall sodium content. Next, gather a vibrant assortment of fresh vegetables, such as carrots, celery, and bell peppers, and chop them uniformly. Finally, gently sauté your aromatics, like finely diced onions and minced garlic, in just 1 teaspoon of olive oil to build a flavorful base, without excess fat. For a truly healthy soup, make smart ingredient choices. Boost your vitamin intake by adding a generous handful of leafy greens, such as fresh spinach or chopped kale, during the last 5 minutes of cooking. Introduce lean protein with 1 cup of cooked lentils or chickpeas, enhancing satiety and muscle support. Furthermore, incorporate 1/2 cup of whole grains like quinoa or barley to significantly increase your soup's dietary fiber content, promoting digestive health. Employ healthy cooking methods to maximize nutritional value. Simmer your vegetables gently until they are tender crisp, typically for 15 to 20 minutes, to preserve their essential vitamins and minerals. Resist the temptation to add heavy creams or large amounts of cheese, which can significantly increase calorie and fat content. Instead, enhance flavor naturally by using a variety of fresh or dried herbs, such as thyme and bay leaves, and spices like black pepper, minimizing the need for added salt. To further boost nutrition and enjoy your healthy creation, consider a few final touches. Just before serving, garnish each bowl with 1 tablespoon of fresh, chopped herbs like parsley or cilantro for an extra layer of flavor and a nutrient boost. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice, about 1 teaspoon, can brighten the soup's overall taste. Serve your wholesome vegetable soup alongside a small, whole grain roll to create a perfectly balanced and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.